You think your body ends, where your skin ends. You believe this is you, this physical structure, this visible form, and everything outside is separate. But what if this boundary is not real? What if you are not just this body, but something that extends far beyond it? Now stay with this, because this is where your perception begins to expand. Science has discovered something fascinating. Your body emits light, not metaphorically, not symbolically, literally. Tiny particles of light called biophotons continuously every second. Now these are not visible to the naked eyes, but they exist and they carry information. And now imagine this, your body is not just made of cells. It is constantly communicating, sending signals, exchanging information, not just internally, but externally, into the space around you. Now this creates something that most people are not aware of, an energy field, a light field that surrounds your body, not separate from you, but an extension of you. Now think about this. If your body is emitting energy and information, then you are not just contained within your skin. You are interacting with the environment at a level you cannot see. Now this is where it gets interesting. This field is not random. It reflects your state, your thoughts, your emotions, your internal coherence. Now imagine this. When you feel stressed, anxious, overwhelmed, your system becomes chaotic. Your thoughts are scattered. Your emotions are unstable. And this chaos is reflected in your energy field. It becomes incoherent, weak, disorganized. Now when your field is like this, your body also suffers, because there is no harmony, no balance, no alignment. Now imagine the opposite. You feel calm, centered, grateful, connected. Your thoughts are clear. Your emotions are stable. Your system becomes coherent, and this coherence is reflected in your field. It becomes strong, organized, aligned. Now this is the key. Health is not just physical. It is energetic. It is coherence. It is alignment between your brain, your heart, your body, and your field. Now think about this. If your field is strong, organized, coherent, what do you think happens? Your body functions better. Your immune system improves. Your energy increases. Your clarity improves, because everything is working together. Now this is not just theory. This is measurable. Scientists can actually detect these light emissions. They can measure coherence. They can observe changes based on emotional states. Now this means your inner state is not just inside you, it is expressed around you. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt someone's presence without them saying anything? You enter a room and you feel tension, or you feel peace, or you feel discomfort. Why? Because you are sensing their field, not consciously, but subconsciously. Now this is how deeply connected we are. We are not isolated individuals. We are interacting fields, constantly influencing and being influenced. Now this is where awareness becomes powerful. Because if your field reflects your state, then changing your state changes your field. And changing your field changes your experience. Now most people focus only on the body. They try to fix symptoms. They try to control outcomes, but they ignore the field, the source, the signal. Now imagine this. Instead of only focusing on what is wrong, you begin to focus on coherence. on alignment, on your internal state. You calm your mind, you regulate your emotions, you bring your system into balance. What happens? Your field changes. And when your field changes, your body responds, your life responds. Now, this is the deeper understanding. You are not just a physical being, you are an energetic system, a field of light, carrying information, interacting with everything around you. Now, this is where responsibility comes in, because you are not just affecting yourself, you are affecting your environment, your relationships, your interactions, through your state, through your field. Now, this is not something to fear, this is something to understand, because the moment you become aware, you gain the ability to change, ability to align, ability to create coherence. Now, this is the beginning of real healing, not by fighting symptoms, but by restoring balance, not by controlling outcomes, but by changing your state, because your body follows your field and your field follows your consciousness. Now, imagine this. Every day you become aware, you regulate your thoughts, you elevate your emotions, you create coherence. What happens? Your field becomes stronger, more stable, more aligned, and slowly your body begins to heal. Your mind becomes clear, your life becomes different. Now, this is not magic, this is just alignment. This is just coherence, this is just understanding who you really are. Not just a body, but a field. Not just matter, but light. And the moment you begin to live from that awareness, everything changes.